be having a little gap. My legs are so sore. I'm so unbelievably cramped up. In front of me, they all do their thing, and the guy gets to me, and he's like, got any warrants out for your arrest or anything? I was like, not yet. I don't know if you like that. Took my stuff and went away for a while. I'm like, I like waterfalls. So the thing about Niagara Falls is, it's like a lot of water, man. So we're here in, what is it, Graffiti Alley in Toronto, checking it out. I got the triple pork, so it's a deep fried pepperoni, I think bacon, and then pulled pork.
So first thoughts on Toronto. It's a city, it's got tall buildings and like cars, and like it's a city, and like it's full of weird people here.
That's Toronto.
Like not weird people, like cool, like New Orleans, more like Canadians.
And this is what editing on the road looks like.
Get it in a carton?
I got it in a carton.
Why? If you get it in
Because
a
I don't have a milk container.
Oh my god!
Is this blowing your mind?
It's fucking blown.
chocolate milk, which is essential if you're 12 years old, like I am.
What did you like about it?
It's a diner. It's breakfast. It was, I would say like a American amount of food. You know, stuffed. I couldn't even eat it all.
Your first LCBO store.
Place I can buy beer.
They're gonna have alcohol,
Okay.
and I'm gonna be able to buy it from them.
All right.
Let's see if it meets the expectations. They met expectations.
You got
I bought alcohol.
You did?
I bought probably too much alcohol, for considering I only have a couple more days. I blame their can decoration was really good, and then I saw some whiskey and I thought I should bring home some whiskey for Caitlin. So yeah.
I think that works. Is that too snugger? It's gonna be okay. We're not gonna die, so. I mean, we shouldn't. We shouldn't die. Oh, I could make this video. I rode away with his wife. That's kind of clickbaity.
So we're here. We're about to go zip lining.
I have fonder memories of like British Columbia and the Yukon because I went to a more interesting area of both those places. I didn't just go to like what looks like America. I got to go to like very remote areas, so it was really beautiful. So it's nice. The falls are beautiful, and the falls are worth seeing for sure. It was good. It was nice. I had a good time. I mean, I mainly had a good time, you know, seeing you.
Yeah.
And Adrian too. Because obviously it's been a few years since I saw you. And obviously her as well, but you know, it's cool. It's been nice to be up in a different place in the US, but this is like, if you're leaving the US to go to another country, this would be like the first baby step. It's like, have you been to Canada? Like, no. Like, well, we probably should go to Canada. It's basically like the US, but it's a nice first step into another country. It's like an easy first step, so. Especially in this case, like versus if we went really far north or something.
Yeah.